Hello. In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Sony Xperia 1 Mark VI. You have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and now click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click allow and then click consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click on OK. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.